Alright guys, remember this on my phone. I'm doing a cat montage from 2016 to 2021. It's right there. It's coming out on December 31st. It's a montage. It's gonna be sad, and I'm gonna prepare for New Year's Eve to do the montage. The best of the year of 2016 to 2021. There's nothing to replace. We're going to miss that cat and the rest of our lives. She would want me to do the montage, and she's a good cat over the years. Wow. It's gonna. That means in January I'm gonna do more videos and more and more and more. But no cat videos anymore after this year happened, so. I'm so sad about it. And subscribe to my cat videos for this year, January for like August or something. And I'm making a montage of the year 2021. It's gonna be a everything will be good in 2022. So this video is coming tonight at 11:45. Tonight. And I'm ready tomorrow. I'm ready to prepare some more cat montage. Alright guys, have a good one. See you on December 31st for the cat montage. See ya guys. Have a good one.